When temperatures drop, having a reliable car battery becomes crucial. Cold weather can impact battery performance and starting power, leaving you stranded on frigid mornings. In this video, we'll explore 5 of the best car batteries specifically designed to thrive in cold weather conditions. Optima Red Top, NAPA Legend Premium, DieHard Platinum, ACDelco Professional AGM, and Interstate Mega-Tron Plus. Let's help you find the perfect battery to keep your vehicle running smoothly all winter long. Kicking off our list at number 1, Optima Red Top. The Optima Red Top battery is a standout choice for cold weather performance, known for its exceptional starting power and reliability. Designed with spiral cell technology, this lead-acid battery delivers a powerful burst of energy, making it ideal for starting your vehicle in freezing temperatures. With a durable construction, the Optima Red Top is built to withstand harsh conditions, ensuring dependable performance in winter. Key features. One of the primary features of the Optima Red Top is its impressive cold cranking amps (CCA) rating, typically around 800 CCA. This means it can deliver enough power to start your engine, even in frigid conditions. Additionally, its unique design minimizes internal resistance, resulting in faster recharging and improved performance. The battery is also vibration resistant, making it a reliable choice for off-road and rugged environments. Benefits and usage. The Optima Red Top is particularly beneficial for those living in extremely cold climates, where starting power is essential. Its superior starting capability ensures that your vehicle will fire up on the coldest mornings. Moreover, the maintenance-free design eliminates the need for regular checking of fluid levels, providing peace of mind during harsh winters. Usability. Installing the Optima Red Top is straightforward, thanks to its top and side terminal design, allowing for flexible connection options. The compact size of the battery ensures it fits in a variety of vehicles, making it a versatile choice. Users will appreciate the battery's user-friendly features, ensuring hassle-free installation and maintenance. Durability. Built to last, the Optima Red Top features a rugged case that is resistant to extreme temperatures and vibrations. This durability makes it an excellent investment for drivers who need a battery that can endure tough winter conditions. The combination of high-performance components and a robust design means that the Optima Red Top is built to provide reliable service for years to come. In the second spot, we have NAPA Legend Premium. The NAPA Legend Premium battery is a popular option among drivers seeking a dependable battery for cold weather performance. With a robust construction and advanced technology, this battery is designed to deliver consistent starting power, even in the most challenging winter conditions. It's an ideal choice for those who prioritize reliability and performance during cold months. Key features. One of the key features of the NAPA Legend Premium is its high cold cranking amps rating, often reaching around 750 CCA. This impressive power ensures that your vehicle starts reliably in cold temperatures. The battery also features a strong grid design, which enhances its overall durability and ensures a longer lifespan. Additionally, its maintenance-free design means you won't have to worry about keeping it topped up with water. Benefits and usage. The NAPA Legend Premium is perfect for drivers in regions that experience severe winter weather. Its excellent starting power minimizes the risk of a dead battery on cold mornings, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. The battery's ability to hold a charge and withstand cold temperatures makes it an excellent investment for peace of mind during winter driving. Usability. Installation of the NAPA Legend Premium is straightforward, with clear markings and user-friendly terminals that make connecting it to your vehicle easy. Its standard dimensions ensure it fits a wide range of vehicles, making it a versatile option. The battery's reliable performance and ease of use make it a favorite among DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics alike. Durability. Constructed with high-quality materials, the NAPA Legend Premium is built to withstand extreme temperatures and vibrations. Its robust design ensures that it can handle the demands of cold weather, while its long lifespan means you won't need to replace it frequently. This durability makes the NAPA Legend Premium a trustworthy choice for drivers seeking a long-lasting battery. Coming in at number 3 is the DieHard Platinum. The DieHard Platinum battery is engineered for superior performance in cold weather, providing exceptional starting power and reliability. This premium AGM absorbent glass mat battery is designed to deliver maximum power in cold conditions, making it an excellent choice for drivers who need a dependable battery to face winter's challenges. Key features. A standout feature of the DieHard Platinum is its impressive CCA rating, which typically ranges from 800 to 900 CCA, ensuring reliable starts in freezing temperatures. The AGM design provides enhanced vibration resistance and prevents acid spillage, making it a safer option for vehicles. Additionally, the battery's fast charging capability means it can quickly regain power after use. Benefits and usage. The DieHard Platinum is perfect for those living in extremely cold climates, where reliable starting power is critical. Its superior performance ensures that you won't face the frustration of a dead battery during a cold snap. This battery is also an excellent choice for vehicles with high electrical demands, providing the power needed for accessories and electronics. Usability. Installing the DieHard Platinum is simple, with clearly marked terminals that allow for easy connections. Its compact design makes it a good fit for a variety of vehicles, ensuring compatibility. The user-friendly features and straightforward installation process make this battery a top choice for both novice and experienced users. Durability. The DieHard Platinum is built to last, featuring a robust design that can withstand the rigors of cold weather and heavy use. Its AGM technology enhances its longevity, making it a reliable choice for those seeking a long-lasting battery solution. With its durability and high performance, the DieHard Platinum is an investment that pays off in reliable vehicle operation. Taking our fourth spot is ACDelco Professional AGM. The ACDelco Professional AGM battery is a premium option for drivers seeking a high-performance battery in cold weather. Known for its advanced technology and reliability, this AGM battery is designed to provide exceptional power, ensuring your vehicle starts even in the coldest temperatures. Its robust construction makes it a great choice for winter driving conditions. Key features. One of the main features of the ACDelco Professional AGM battery is its high CCA rating, often exceeding 700 CCA. This ensures reliable starting power during frigid weather. The battery also features a sealed design that prevents leakage and enhances safety, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles. Additionally, its fast recharging capability ensures you can get back on the road quickly. Benefits and usage. The ACDelco Professional AGM battery is ideal for those who prioritize safety and reliability. Its superior cold weather performance minimizes the risk of starting issues, allowing you to drive confidently during winter. The battery is also well suited for vehicles with advanced electrical systems, providing the necessary power for all your electronic accessories. Usability. Installing the ACDelco Professional AGM battery is a breeze, thanks to its clear terminal markings and user-friendly design. Its compact size allows for easy placement in a variety of vehicles, ensuring compatibility across different makes and models. The battery's ease of installation makes it an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts looking for a reliable solution. Durability. Built to endure harsh conditions, the ACDelco Professional AGM battery features a rugged construction that enhances its lifespan. Its sealed design protects against environmental factors, ensuring reliable performance in cold weather. This durability, combined with its high performance, makes the ACDelco Professional AGM a solid investment for winter driving needs. And finally, at number 5, we have Interstate Mega-Tron Plus. The Interstate Mega-Tron Plus is a top-rated car battery designed for superior performance in cold weather. Known for its reliability and power, this battery is engineered to deliver consistent, starting performance even in the harshest winter conditions. Its robust construction and advanced technology make it an excellent choice for drivers seeking peace of mind during cold months. Key features. One of the key features of the Interstate Mega-Tron Plus is its high CCA rating, typically around 650 to 800 CCA, ensuring dependable starts in frigid temperatures. The battery is designed with a strong grid structure that enhances its overall durability and performance. Additionally, it features a maintenance-free design, eliminating the need for regular upkeep. Benefits and usage. The Interstate Mega-Tron Plus is perfect for drivers who live in areas with severe winter weather. Its reliable starting power reduces the likelihood of being stranded due to battery failure. The battery is also suitable for vehicles with various electrical demands, providing ample power for accessories and electronics. Usability. Installing the Interstate Mega-Tron Plus is simple and user-friendly, with clearly marked terminals that facilitate quick connections. Its standard size ensures it fits a variety of vehicles, making it a versatile option. The battery's ease of use makes it a popular choice among both casual and experienced drivers. Durability. Constructed with high-quality materials, the Interstate Mega-Tron Plus is built to withstand extreme temperatures and demanding conditions. Its robust design ensures longevity and reliability, making it a worthwhile investment for those seeking a durable battery for winter driving. This durability, combined with its performance features, solidifies the Interstate Mega-Tron Plus as a top choice for cold weather conditions. When it comes to cold weather performance, choosing the right car battery can make all the difference. Each of the batteries we've reviewed today, the Optima Red Top, NAPA Legend Premium, DieHard Platinum, ACDelco Professional AGM, and Interstate Mega-Tron Plus, offers unique features tailored for reliable starting power in frigid conditions. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect battery to keep your vehicle running smoothly all winter long. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more helpful automotive tips.